Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start with the right foundation for authentic Hong Kong-style French toast. In this video, I will show how to make French toast Hong Kong style. First, select 2 slices of thick white bread, ideally milk bread, for that perfect texture. Next, beat 2 large eggs thoroughly and mix in 2 tablespoons of milk or evaporated milk. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of sugar and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Now let's prepare your toast for frying. Take 2 slices of bread and spread a generous layer of your favorite filling, like creamy peanut butter or sweet kaya jam, to make a sandwich. Carefully dip this sandwich into the prepared egg mixture, ensuring both sides are completely saturated. Heat about 1 inch of oil in a pan to approximately 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Gently place the toast in, frying each side for 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown. Achieving that signature golden perfection is key. Maintain a consistent oil temperature throughout the frying process for even cooking and a beautiful, uniform color. You're looking for a crispy, golden brown crust with a wonderfully soft and custardy interior. Remember not to overcrowd your pan. Fry 1 or 2 pieces at a time to keep the oil hot. Once fried, transfer the toast to a wire rack or paper towels to drain excess oil. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious creation. Serve your Hong Kong-style French toast immediately while it's still wonderfully warm. For an authentic touch, generously drizzle condensed milk or golden syrup over the top. A small pat of butter melting on the hot toast adds an extra layer of richness. This delightful treat is perfect for a special breakfast, a satisfying brunch, or even a comforting dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.